Howdy, y'all. Welcome back. We've got food tasting again today. I was wanting some of the Popeyes fried pickle or pickled pepper, pickled fried whatever they have at Popeyes, and but then I discovered there's a Fry the Coop in the neighborhood I was driving to. It's on Milwaukee Avenue in the Portage neighborhood and Chicago. The streets get narrower. There's more closed buildings. They're older, and it's just danker. But now I drove out into the suburbs, which is where I was heading originally. But I just had to get me their fancy box. Now, the last Fry the Coop I went to was a nice standalone place, huge parking lot, fancy, big menu. This is a little corner Chicago place. No parking. If you're lucky, you can find on-street parking. Limited, smaller menu, but it's still Fry the Coop. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Yes, you can see. I can see. Oh, say, can you? So this was the Chicago dog. I'm already getting sauce on the receipt. $13.27 for, or the, what I call it, Chicago dog? No, it's Chicago hot chicken sandwich. I don't know what I'm saying. So it's $12 for the sandwich, and wow. She didn't even charge me for the water. Well, that was nice. And it's not any water. It's Dasani. So, Fry the Coop, if you have not had the pleasure, just look at that. Yum! Taste it, taste it. None for you. The Chicago version of the Fry the Coop hot chicken sandwich has hot Chardonnay. And Chardonnay is, ooh, there's pickles. I mean, peppers. I picked a peck. Look at all those peppers. Holy cow. And this is a medium. Chardonnay is pickled vegetables, basically. Every bit as good as I remembered. It's hot, like I remember. And there's 2 levels of heat higher than this. Maybe 3. You get to choose your level of heat. Most of the heat is from the hot Chardonnay, in this case, which is what makes this so good. They have their tangy sauce. Honestly, they are better than Chick-fil-A. I know that's blasphemy to a lot of folks, but sorry guys. The sauce, I mean, this is a fresh, giant chicken breast. It's a buttered brioche bun. It's awesome. 5 all day, son. They have their fries, which they brag are beef tallow fries. Well, everything's beef tallow now. I saw beef tallow makeup or sunscreen advertised. I don't want beef tallow on my face. Beef tallow is like a grease that invites sun. But what do I know? Don't get me wrong. I'm glad we're getting away from all the seed oils, but it's a bandwagon now. So I'm gonna enjoy this. Finish stuffing my face. I didn't get the fries. This was plenty. Okay. Oh no! I knew I'd ruin my shirt. Jalapeno. So I just put the shirt on. And already it's stained. I'm gonna have to start carrying extra shirts, which already have stains too. Man, I hate it when that happens. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing. Thanks for putting up with the strange year or 2 or 3 I've been going through. I'm back in the Chicagoland area, as you can see. So at least I'll be getting more food reviews. Not sure about cooking. I don't yet have my griddle. It's still in a pod storage many miles from here, and jets fly over going into O'Hare like once every minute during the day. I'm gonna need both hands for this. Anyway, we'll see you later. Bye!